come back this way. Okay. So you're not tired.
We're okay.
You're not hungry.
Not really.
Kuya is so cute. Like he's asking me if I am a celebrity. No, it's okay.
आराम ला So they chose this place for making the monastery. So this is one of the legends here.
Nothing out of the sculpture.
So it's a kind of flying horse. So to give the support to the temple, they are placed in the edges, corners. And regarding these images, in Buddhism, in Mahayana or Tibetan Buddhism, there are concept of bodhisattvas, the guides or the teachers who could enlighten, but they are still waiting to guide the people. They are known as bodhisattvas or lokeshwaras. So there are 12 lokeshwaras placed here according to the 12 months. So it is written here, Padma Nritya Lokeshwar. It is associated with the dance. And here it is written Harihar Bahan Lokeshwar. It is associated with the first month of our solar calendar. So this is, I think, a newly founded religious institution. They have chosen this place for some offering to Krishna, God of Krishna. Krishna is the God, the incarnation of Vishnu, who is very good at playing flute. And in Hinduism there are several cults. So some they take Lord Shiva as supreme deity, some take goddess of power as supreme deity, some Vishnu or Krishna as supreme deity, and some followers of Krishna, they just with the help of singing hymns of Krishna, with the help of doing concentrating focus on themselves, they think they can get over everything, all the happiness. So if you want, you can come.
Jayo Radha Madhava Kunja Bihari Gopijana Vallabha Giri Varadari.
So these are different delicacies they offer to the God, and they will later eat it as blessing, share it as blessing.
Yashodanandana Prajajana Ranjana Yashodanandana Prajajana.
So they have come here to buy the local confectionaries, local sweets for the festival.
purchased some. They're really nice.
They're nice, but you have to stay in queue. See where there are less people. Okay.
Around. That's how they leave.
Okay, let's let those people go by. They also have you want to try some?
Do you want to try something?
We can.
Very sweet. Okay.
Can you pay? What was that kind of triangular shaped one?
The kulfi, some kulfi. Kulfi. 1, 2, 3.
Do you want to try this one?
Yeah.
Just one. Just one.
One is enough.
Yeah, I'm not interested in it. Here, hold that for a second. How much for that one?
Gorkon 80 rupees. And they have ice cream in cone and cup.
So we're on top of this building because I wanted to see that snow-capped mountain. I'm not sure if you can see the big spot. Unfortunately, the GoPro doesn't have a zoom, so I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's so beautiful. It's magical. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see Himalayas and the Mount Everest. Like, we're not probably gonna climb because it's dangerous and it's hard and it's expensive, but yeah, we'll see.
So after the completion of this work, probably the leftover materials, they made a small temple for Mother of Buddha. So much content already.
I know. So, where's Kuya?
So Chinese, they are good at making porcelain.
Wow.
A few days ago, there was a tournament, badminton tournament, within this old town. So people in those days, they prefer to live together and having one open space in
Yeah.
between.
Oh, so nice.
A couple of doggy style.
So this season is also a season of fruits, and pomelo is very lavish nowadays. Pomelo, so they have offered pomelo as well. Soyambu that we saw in the hill. Every monastery they have a tradition of erecting one stupa as a symbolic representation of Soyambu that we saw this morning. So if you come here, you can see a very beautiful image of Buddha in red color, with on ornaments. How old is this? 1400 years old monastery. The name of the monastery is Rudra Barna Mahabihar.
Rudra
Barna Mahabihar.
Barna. Oh, there.
So this is one of the it's there. One of the prime minister called Juddha Samsher Rana, oligarch.
Nice.
One day I want to have a mustache.
Hey everyone, so we are now back home. It's really tiring, but at the same time that day tour was full of fun, like so much knowledge about the Buddhism, about Nepal, so about the Nepalese people, and it's just so amazing. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. If you do like it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and follow all my social media below. And by the way, before I end this video, our tour guide, my gosh, I forgot his name, but he was really good. Like, he's so good. And our driver as well. So thank you so much to the two of you for making this trip very full of fun and safe. Yeah, so once again, this is Sass reminding you all to stay golden. Bye.